Our company is a private company with a complete set of scientific quality management system. The company was founded in 1993. We uphold integrity management, reliable quality products. Production strength has been recognized by the industry. Our main brands are Weeks and JKLI. We design our own products with reasonable price and reliable quality. The product has obtained a number of design patents. Our products sell well in South Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, and Middle East. Our company mainly produces all kinds of screwdriver sets, telecommunication maintenance tools, auxiliary maintenance tools, and other hardware products. With lathe, milling machine, lathing milling machine, stamp molding, grinding, injection molding machine, color mixing machine, labeling machine, and other equipment with a complete production line supply chain. In addition, we also have our own design team producing more than 3 new products every year. Therefore, our company has certain strengths to provide ODM and OEM services for customers. Our company has been taking innovation and close service as the purpose, vowing to provide customers with reliable quality products and quality service. Customers can be assured of purchasing in the company, assured sales in the market, and considerate service to make customers feel at home and achieve win-win situation.